welcome back again. It's me, Caroline Imari, Ambassador Official. Nowadays, there are a lot of evil that is happening in our land, in our nation. In the book of 2nd Chronicles, chapter 7, verse 14, it says, "If my people who are called by my name, they will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn away from their wicked way, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sin and heal their land." We have to pray God to heal our nation, to heal our lives. You know, prayerlessness is a sin. This song it says, kuomba ni lazima tuombe.